Here's a 2017 Honda Civic Coupe. The Civic has a long history of excellence and of constantly moving forward. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, manual transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track Rights, driving even the base version of this new Civic, transports you back to a time when Hondas were actually sporty, cool, and even fun to drive. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
DeMontrond, home of the warranty forever. True peace of mind forever. Conveniently located just south of Houston at 3220 Gulf Freeway on 45 toward Galveston.